The landscaping business is one of the most lucrative and rewarding occupations in the country today. For individuals with the right expertise and equipment, there's good money to be made. Nowhere is this more apparent than in decorative curbing. However, the type and style of decorative curb making machine can greatly affect the money made or lost in this area. With this in mind, let us introduce the most reliable and efficient curbing machine in the entire industry. The Decorative Curb Making Machine, model number 207. This machine is uniquely designed, centered around an auger delivery system. Constructed of the highest quality abrasive-resistant material, the Decorative Curb Making Machine is engineered to be the finest in the industry today. The 6-horsepower IC commercial gasoline engine, sized and balanced hydraulic system, stainless steel compaction tube, and custom-built high-grade steel auger are just a few of the reasons you should own this machine. The tie rods on the decorative curbing machines are zero-tolerance Teflon lined. The struts and steering assembly are chrome-plated for rust resistance and easy cleanup. Special wide pneumatic tires and easy vertically adjustable steering help keep the machine from sinking in soft soil. Notice how easily the machine is moved from one work area to another with a removable transporting wheel. As we mentioned before, the decorative curb making machine is auger driven, delivering a constant flow of smooth, workable material which affords a minimal amount of finishing. The constant motion of the auger allows a much wetter slump material to be used, creating a more compact, smoother product to be extruded. This machine will also extrude curb that is made with 3/8 to 3/4 inch rock combined with sand and cement. These materials together create a true concrete product, which is stronger than competitors' mortar mix no-rock type curb. This type of mix creates a beautiful exposed aggregate curb, the ultimate in decorative curbing. The decorative curb making machine's commercial gasoline engine converts power through a balanced hydraulic system which turns the auger, delivering material through the auger tube into the mold. We have found that hydraulics are far superior to clutch with belt-driven systems. Hydraulics give our machines a much longer life and provides a reverse capability of the auger, which will allow aggregate to be passed without pulling the machine offline to free the auger. We have also designed the decorative curb making machine with a removable hopper for quick and easy cleanup. Nothing has been spared in the manufacturing of the decorative curb making machine. It's a product we're proud of and stand behind. Let us demonstrate just what an incredible machine this is. Prior to the laying of the decorative curb, the sod and/or ground must be prepared. Notice that a thin layer of sand has been broadcast in preparation for the decorative curb. Once the ground preparation has been completed, material must be mixed and hauled to the curbing machine. It's also important for the material being extruded to have enough water, especially in cases where the soil is very hot and dry. Hot and dry soil can cause great moisture loss in the material, resulting in abnormal tearing in the curb. Notice how wet the material is being extruded. The auger system allows a much higher slump solution to be used, creating much better compaction. Be aware that without the proper amount of water in the concrete, the chemical reaction called hydration cannot fully occur. This chemical reaction between the cement and water gives it strength, or PSI, which is the measurement of concrete strength. With a constant supply of material in the hopper, the decorative curb making machine has the ability of extruding 10 to 15 feet of material per minute, which is more than 3 times the footage of a ram or plunger delivery system. The operator-controlled steering is engineered in a fashion that will allow tight enough turns to accommodate even the most detailed landscape arrangements. However, it's not recommended to install edging in a tighter radius than a lawnmower can accommodate. Notice the smooth, wet, highly compacted material being extruded. Notice also the fullness of the material as it leaves the mold. This allows a much easier finish process due to the fact that there are no voids to contend with. Look at that baby go. You gotta love it. To make a connection from start to finish, simply lift the machine offline and hand place the needed material to complete the connection, in most cases about 12 inches. The material can be easily slid with a hand float, straightening it up to a point where it's perfect. Look at the ease in finishing the material, including the start and end of the job. Now all that's left is to cut in the control joints. Decorative Curb Making Machines also offers a number of mold styles. A mower strip mold and a 4x6 mold used as a divider for establishing property lines come standard with the machine. Pictured here are the hand tools that also come with the Decorative Curb Making Machine. For your customers, decorative curbing can enhance property appearance, minimize lawn and edging maintenance, decrease water costs, retain landscape soils and rocks in place, assist in the cleanliness of sidewalks, gutters, and roads, as well as retain water in desired curbing bordered areas. You see, the Decorative Curb Making Machine is not just for decorative purposes. It truly does serve many other important functions. We at Decorative Curb Making Machines understand you are in a very competitive market. Customer satisfaction is not only necessary, but critical to your success. It's for this reason you should own and operate the most reliable and efficient curb making machine on the market. And as you've just seen, the Decorative Curb Making Machine is simply the best there is.
Call today 1-800-613-7930 or 1-801-543-DECO. That's 543-3326.